Always, always. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi guys, this video is about Divi. So we're gonna learn how to use Divi, how do you set up everything, and so we're just gonna start here. So I'm gonna use Divi Elementor. So I'm gonna show you how to start this. The first thing you gotta do in Divi, this is very, very important. You have to create your pages. You gotta create your pages. So this is basically a Divi website. I'm trying to create a website, and I'm gonna just show you how I start. So I was able to um, get WordPress installed, and I'm trying to create a website here. So let's start here with the first page. So the first important thing you gotta create here is pages. So I'm just gonna create like a website. We give two ways. So the first thing that you have to do is when you have your pages here, so you have to go to pages. So first here you're gonna do is add. You go to new here, and then we're adding a new page, right? Add new page. So basically you go to next. So you close this. So what kind of page are we trying to create? So let's say the first one I'm gonna create right here is about us. And you go to publish, publish again, and you click here because you want to view the page, but you have to go back to the dashboard. So you click here. So we've created the first page. So, so now I want to create a new page. So you do the same thing. Just ignore this. Now on that page, so let me create this page here, services. So you do the same thing, publish, publish again. Then you click here. So we've got a second page, services. So let me add a new page here, say con. So we do that again. We cancel this here, and then we go to contact us. Go to publish, publish. You click here again. So now let's do another page here. I'll call this page home. So I'll click here again to add a new page. So we do this, we cancel this, and then we click home. So you go here to publish, publish, and then you click here again. So that's home. So now we've created our pages. So the two things we gotta do here, I gotta take off the sample page here. So you go to bulk option, move to trash, and then you apply this. So now that we have our pages, I don't need this privacy policy page either. I go to bulk action and I click it. So we have 4 pages here: about us, contact us, home, services. So now we want to make our page, but we need to do one more thing. So we have to go to so we have to do one more thing. Just give me a second here. We gotta add our menu. So this is what we have to do. So basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to use a Divi theme. So I went to appearances, then you see a theme here, you click on themes. Then now I go to add new theme. So if you look around, none of these themes, I'm trying to use the Divi theme, the Divi theme. So that's what I want to use. Currently, this is what 24. I'm gonna remove it and put the Divi theme as the installed theme. So I'm just gonna go here. So I'm gonna go to choose a file, then I go to my download folder, then I clicked on Divi. So now I have the Divi set up. So I have to, so what I do, I install it. The next thing you do is, so it says here, installing the theme installed successfully. You activate it. So now it is activated. So I've made my, you see here where it says active Divi. Then the next step is we need to create menus because I've created 4 pages. So just go back to appearance, then click on menus. Now we need to choose a menu name. You can put in anything. So I'll just put, say, Jacob 24. That's the name of my menu, Jacob 24. And I'll go here. It is a primary menu. So I gotta get all my pages added to that. So I've created my menu. I called it Jacob 25. So now all these pages that I've created is home, contact us, services, about us. Then you have to add that to your menu. My name is Jacob 25. So I go in there. So now if you look here, I have 4 pages. Home, contact us, services, about us. Then I can save the menu. So now if we go visit the site, you can see that they're all there, but everything looks very doesn't look good. So what we need to do now, we have to go and start using the, so right now we have to, since we've done that, we have to start using the Divi builder. So basically we've created all our pages. So if you go to appearance, this is the menu, Jacob 25, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Now let's start using Divi. I've added all this to the menu. The menu is under Jacob 25. So you have to go to settings, primary links, and this is my website, Grace of God Solutions. The months and the names, just make sure everything is okay. Then you have to go to reading. So reading settings, you're making this a static page. What is the home page? So you go in there, it is home. Post page, you can put in anything, make it contact us, and then you go to save changes. Now let's start our site. We already have the active themes, so just to make sure the themes that we have here, see active Divi. So now let's go to the site. So for example, I'll click if depends on the site you want to use first, but let's click on the home page. I want to build that first. Then now we're gonna go to enable visual builder. Enable visual builder. So you could start, take the tour. I've done the tour before by Kevin, the CEO of Divi, but I prefer to do start building. Now we're building the site. So we go down to Divi, then you're going to see theme options. So we got to do a few things here. So if you want to fix the navigation bar, you can put it there. If you want to add a gallery, you can do that. I don't want to add it in this tutorial. If you want to do a right side bar, you can do that. And this is the API key. This is very important. So when you sign up, you have to go get it from Elegant Themes. This is Divi. So you put in your Google API key. And once you do that, number of ports, you choose what you want. So for now, I'm just doing something basic. So you just go to save charges, save changes, which I've done already. So now we're gonna go back to the site, and so I'm just gonna go back here on the site. If you look, all the pages that I added, home, contact us, services, about us. So you click on home. I'm just trying to do the home page. So you do enable visual builder. You do visual builder. So you could either do from scratch, but today I'm going to focus on a pre-made layout. So right now, this or what category are you trying to build? Is it a business? Is it art and design? So you have to choose from the left hand side. So say for instance, I just go to health and fitness, right? So I can look and see here what I'm building, right? So let me look for something that is more what I would like to build here. So I can go down and the different layouts. You choose the one that you prefer, right? So I'm just trying to see, just make a page. And but guys, basically, I'm just trying to build a page about a gym, physical therapy. But this could be anything. So anything that you want to change with the Divi, once you've installed Divi, so you have to go right here. So you have this what they call section settings. So you can just go right here and you click. If you want to change anything here, you can just go here. This you see the title says initial consultation. You could change it to anything. Um, say walking out. I'm just giving an example here. You could put it to come and find out more. So if for example you want to change the font and everything, this is the text settings. You just have to go to design, then go to the text. So now what kind of font do you want? So you could just go to Able font fat face, you make it bold, then you stretch it down. So now, do you want what kind of font? What kind of style do you want? You just put it here. I prefer to make it black. If you want to make the size bigger, you can if you want. So I put 20, 21 pixels. And then the question here is going to be you move this to the right, for example. So do you want it on the right? If you move it here, it goes to the center. But then you can put it back instead of you leave it to the left, right? Now the text color. Do you want it dark? Do you want it light? So you go over here, and so this is just for this one. So you can close this. So if you want to do the same thing here, so you have to go back here, and then you can choose. You can go back here. You can decide to close this again. and put in looking for help. You go back again, you do the same thing. So it's text, default, put it there, April 5 face, bold. So you scroll down. Now you prefer the center. See, it has white, but what text color? You want it black, right? So you can change it to black. But if you want it white, if you go back again, it goes back to white. So it depends on what you're looking for. So let's assume I leave it on white, but it's best to have the same color. So now you put the text, because we don't want 21, then you put it back to 21 as well, right? And you keep going all the way down. So what's the alignment? Do you want it center? You can push it to center. It goes there. You can push it back. So the color is a dark. You make it dark. Um, then you keep going down. This is just an example. So you can also go here and save if you wanted this. So this is just an example here, just to have the first page, how you can change all this. If you want to change this, you just have to go here, put the cursor here, click on that, and then you can change this, right? So the other things I'll just go through, I'm gonna go through more things. So if you want this, for example, you can just go here and change the model settings. You can change the image. I will go back through in my next lesson, but I just wanted to show you how to start up the Divi and be able to make savings. So I'll just save this and leave this for now, and we will continue very soon. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. Please subscribe. I appreciate it if you do. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. So how do I upload? Oof, fuck, I don't know. What is that? I don't even know what that is.